Hello everyone, this is Sandeep Thora. Welcome to Spectra Compunet, your gateway to the future of technology. As a director of a company, our mission is to provide you with a complete knowledge, the most innovative and the reliable solution. We aim to foster a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for technology and encourages a culture of continuous learning and growth. As we are Tally certified partner over the region, we wish all those who use Tally should know about the product features so that they can be used in their daily practices. Hence, for making it reach to you all, we would be releasing a short videos on the Tally default features very soon. The recorded video shall be released on all our social media platforms along with the YouTube on the regular intervals. Further, I wish to forward this to my teammate who will be taking this ahead and making it successful reaching to you all guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Over to you, Pratik.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Hello everyone, this is Pratik Pvt from Spectra Compunet Pvt Limited. I am a social media specialist at Spectra Compunet Pvt Limited. So our agenda for releasing this video is basically to educate you for TallyPrime 3.0 new release update. We will be releasing a series of TallyPrime 3.0 on our YouTube channel, as well as we will be posting it on our social media channels to reach a wider audience. Thank you, and don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. Further, I wish to forward to my teammate Ms. Manisha.
Hello everyone, this is Manisha Meshram from Spectra Compunet Pvt Limited. I am the trainer in the company and I have completed my MCom from Nagpur University. My passion is teaching, and from last 17 years I am into teaching profession, so I would like to enhance your knowledge through Tally. So our agenda is to train you on the latest release of TallyPrime 3.0, Simplicity ka naya avatar, and also our upcoming videos are there on YouTube channel as well as on the social media to support you and reach out to our viewers. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Follow us on social media like Facebook and Instagram. For more detail, visit to our website www.spectracompunet.com. Thank you.